DaVinci Resolve for iPad has a new update. We have now version 21.0.2. This is a very minor one. If we come here to the App Store and we click on what's new, you see the entire version history. So if we click here on more, you can see it's just some minor updates. Addressed thumbnail preview when bypassing color or fusion. Improved display of retime speed curve. Addressed issues with pasting copied keyframes between clips. Addressed issue with video inspector zoom minimal values. Addressed issues with slower IntelliSearch performance. Addressed bit depth when exporting current frame as a TIFF still, and addressed inconsistent selection of source tape. Addressed inspector Unicode display issues with spell check. Addressed some fusion transitions defaults for vertical timelines, and general performance and stabilization improvements. If we come back here to DaVinci Resolve on the iPad, I'm using now the iPad mini 7, and yes, you can run the full studio version with the iPad mini 7, and you see we also have all of the other pages, fusion page, edit page, the Fairlight page, all of these pages still work. All of them run even here on the iPad mini 7 if you're interested in that, because that doesn't have the M chip series. There is a video that I made on my YouTube channel with the iPad mini 7. This week I posted a video here on my channel from my talk here in Bansko. This was the Fringe Festival talk, and I'm also running the public speaking group here in Bansko since 2 years. And I talked about, actually for the very first time publicly, about my relationship breakup and the transition that I did from last year to this year. It was a very interesting talk. I also played handpan if you're interested in that. It's an instrument that I bought like 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I started learning because I was neglecting music the last couple of years and I just focused so much on work, and I tried to heal with that, and actually it helps me regulate. Anyway, what I'm saying is, if you haven't seen the video, it's a bit of a different topic than the usual videos here, but this YouTube channel is my name, it's my brand, it's not just DaVinci Resolve, and you will actually see an entire new side from me that I normally don't share here on YouTube. So if you're into that, definitely check out the other video. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, hit like, subscribe, ding a ding in the bang bang gong. And of course, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, I created an entire masterclass for the iPad. There is no other masterclass outside. And it's so funny now, more and more customers, when they come to me, they actually found me through AI, and AI is recommending my masterclass because I dedicated the last 3 or 4 years of my life just making this masterclass the best masterclass on the planet, because I really believe in DaVinci Resolve on the iPad. So if you're into that, definitely check out the link in the description. I'm Daniel. See you in the next video. Bye.